seconds. So without any delay, let's jump into Photoshop. This is the image. We are going to remove background. It's very simple. Just select object selection tool and here is the magic button. Click on it. It takes 5 to 10 seconds. And image background automatically removed. And look at the result. It's mind blowing. And you can put any color in this picture background. This is all today's tutorial. If you like it, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. See you soon in next video. Thank you for watching this video.